Hi, Rich Karuba for bowlingball.com. Let's talk about the Roto-Grip Scream bowling ball. It's going to be released early August of 2012. Another entry-level performance ball. It's coming out in tandem with its partner, the Shout. And the difference in the Scream is it's a pearl reactive cover stock with a 1500 grit polish finish on the ball. And also it's designed as well for dry lane conditions. So when you need a ball, when the lanes are hooking, that has a symmetrical core design to give you an even shaped motion as it travels down the lane, the Scream is going to give you a little bit more length than the Shout because of the cover stock composition, the material in the cover stock. So it'll have minimum flare so it won't jump unpredictably on you, retain enough energy for hitting power at the pocket, and also it's going to give you a little more length and a little bit more back end reaction than its partner in crime, the Shout. So the Roto-Grip Tandem, the Scream, this bowling ball is an excellent addition when you need to open the lane up and get some recovery on the back end when the lanes are dry and when the lanes are hooking. It's a great addition to anyone's arsenal who needs a little help on dry lanes so the ball doesn't burn up too early, so it doesn't quit on the back end of the lane, yet doesn't hook unpredictably. You need to have these different pieces of equipment to change if you're bowling competitively and the lanes change sufficiently on you to where you go from medium or heavy oil conditions to the drier lane conditions. You know, whether it's tournaments or even if you bowl league late at night and the lanes are breaking down substantially, that's when you need to look for these specialty piece bowling balls, and that's what Roto-Grip Scream is going to provide you. We hope some of this information helps. Thank you.